Hey, what's going on YouTube? Joseph White here, and you're watching another episode of the J-Dub Twins. Today I want to talk about my 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Widebody and how much I paid for it. So what I have right here, I have the Dodge website pulled up on my tablet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to build this car exactly how my car is spec'd out, and we'll compare the prices. So in order for us to just get the normal Scat Pack, the Dodge Challenger Scat Pack is going to start at $39,995, okay? If we want to get the wide body package added on, it's going to cost $6,000. So yeah, $6,000, that's kind of a lot of money, right? Well, let's find out exactly what $6,000 gets us. So inside of this kit, it's going to include stiffer adaptive shocks, stiffer springs, larger stabilizer bars, those big Brembo brakes, a 3.09 rear axle ratio, 20-inch forged wheels, and of course those massive 305 width tires at all four corners. Almost 11 inches of rubber touching the ground, giving you that traction that you need. And of course, in order to house those 305 wide tires, we have those fender flares, okay? That adds 3.5 inches to the width, the overall width of the vehicle, as well as just kind of gives it that iconic look, right? It's a very iconic, very noticeable look that you're going to love on your Challenger. So that's kind of what all comes into that $6,000 package. So after you slap on that $6,000 wide body package, your new total is going to turn out to be $45,995. So of course we got the car in F8 green. We've added on the 20 by 11 inch carbon black aluminum wheels. That's going to cost you an extra $1,295. I have the Pirelli P0 summer tires. That's going to cost you an extra $695. I have the very nice looking SRT performance spoiler. That's going to be $695. I got the Harman Kardon sound system. That's going to be an 18 speaker sound system. 4 subwoofers, 7 tweeters, and 7 mid-range speakers. That's going to cost $1,595. I did do a video that goes into more detail about the sound system. Feel free to click on the link that I add to the video if you want to go and watch it. I got the power sunroof, which is going to be $1,295. I did get the Plus package into the vehicle. That's going to come with the Napa leather and Alcantara suede seats. It's also going to include the premium stitched door and dash panels. That package is going to cost $1,895. I did get the driver convenience group. That's going to include your blind spot monitoring as well as rear cross path detection. It'll also include that high intensity discharge headlamps. I think it looks great. It's very bright at night, keeps you safe. And that package is going to cost $1,295. I got the carbon and suede interior package, which is going to come with the real carbon fiber center console and dash, as well as Alcantara suede above your head from the mirrors to the rear headrests. I think it looks great. It really gives the car a premium look. However, that package is going to cost $1,595. The car is automatic, which has the 8-speed Torque Flight automatic transmission. Very efficient, very quick shifting. It also includes the paddle shifter, so I kind of, if I want to do manual shifting, I know guys, I have that option, so that's going to cost you $1,595. I will say though, if you get the manual transmission, you will have to pay the $1,000 gas guzzler tax. So if we add everything up, starting with the base price of the Scat Pack wide body, and add on our $11,955 of additional options, as well as the destination charge of $1,495, we come to a grand total of $58,445. And you guys know I did not pay $58,445 for my car. I paid $48,919.50. And honestly, $48,000, for a 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack wide body, almost fully loaded, to exactly what I wanted it to be. We're talking about almost $100 per horsepower, What other vehicle can you get that has that type of performance, this type of look, all of these different options, for this price? I think, honestly, I did very well for myself. Because if we are looking at the starting price of the Scat Pack wide body, we're looking at almost $46,000. So now we added over almost $12,000 of options, and I was still able to get the car for $48,919. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed what you watched. Hopefully I answered some questions for you guys. You know, I'm in no way, shape, or form a financial advisor. Of course, only buy what you can afford, okay? Make sure you get a good interest rate on it too. Of course, you know, the options that I chose for my car are what I wanted for it. You can add less, you can add more. It's up to you guys, but as long as you guys are happy with what you guys get. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video of the J-Dub Twins.